Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is the second video how to cast a shadow from an invisible object. So, part 2. So, here you see the shadow, oops, and the objects are invisible where the shadow comes from. Okay, so this is the wall, and the settings are okay. So here in the material settings, there's a checkbox always unlit. So this is checkbox always unlit. Then change the material to additive. And so this is the wall. Yeah, I go back to the opaque view here. So first, this is your opaque wall. Then change the material to additive. Then set it to unlit. And then in the painting, you have to color it pure black. So when you press now paint all, the object becomes invisible, but it casts a shadow. This is a hint from Stefan, and thank you very much for this. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.